This was scary ride on my tractor. I never owned a tractor before, so didn't know what to expect. So got this recently, and I figured making trip with it to just haul a bunch of beehive stuff. And I honestly was scared, like it feels like it's gonna tip at certain points, especially up there, going up these hills, and I don't know what it can do and what can't do yet. So that got me a little bit shaking. Hopefully I'm over exaggerating about these things, because I didn't go like really steep areas, but it wasn't level. There were points where it wasn't level. So, but it's exciting owning a tractor. The diesel prices went really up. That kind of sucked a little bit, a lot actually. It's really nice owning this stuff. At first I'll use it as a collectible. This is the first year Kubota actually started doing tractor, in 1972 or 1. A pretty nice, decent tractor. The tire seems good. There's some wear and tear on these small ones. Here the big ones are fine, so the small ones aren't as bad to replace, and I can do it myself. The small ones are the headache. The big ones are the headache. Alright guys, take care.